Hello, this is Craig Fanbook of Craig's Mind, and for this video it's going to be how the universe flows through you, because all these events that happened today lined up perfectly. So firstly, I've been trying to find a job, and I finally got the okay from a job, one of the jobs that they would hire me on. So I got the job. And then last Thursday I got the $600 stimulus. So I also got that. Now what began the events of today was a dream from last night, which was me thinking about getting a Nintendo Switch, which I did end up getting with the stimulus. And I wouldn't have gotten the Nintendo Switch had I not known that I had the job. So today I knew I got the job, so I got the Nintendo Switch. Now on the way to getting the Nintendo Switch, to getting the console, so I go to a kind of like rundown Walmart. It's not the Walmart that I'm used to from the state I was in previously, was a lot better, and so this one is more rundown, and I know it's stereotypical, but the thought has run through my mind that I could get robbed at it. And so on my way to getting the Nintendo Switch, I was thinking, like, if I would get robbed, what would I do? And my answer was I would, because I had some money in my wallet, I would give the person who attempted to rob me some money. I would give it to them. So they're not robbing me, I'm giving them the money, because to me, money isn't much to me. It's just a means to an end, I guess, something like that. I don't know the exact saying. But the thing is, so now here's the, I guess, the magic of the flow through the universe flowing through you, is that had I not decided to go get the Nintendo Switch, and had I not decided, had I not applied for the job and all this stuff, so the Nintendo Switch idea was like the last thing that I would ever think of, but then the dream made me go get the Nintendo Switch, because I was thinking, I have the job, I have the stimulus, I have money, so why not go get the Nintendo Switch? Now, on my way home, on a off-ramp from the highway, I saw a guy holding a cardboard sign that said he was homeless, and it also said any amount would help. Now, what I ended up doing was I found the closest parking lot, and there was a sidewalk to walk on to get to where the guy was at, and I gave him the $100 in my wallet that I had been thinking, if things go south here, I would use my money and that $100 for other things, but I got the job, so I don't need the $100. So I gave the $100 to the homeless guy. And had I not gone out and buy the Nintendo Switch, had I not done that, I wouldn't have known about that. And I wouldn't have had the thinking that somebody could rob me at the Walmart. I know it's kind of morbid, but whatever. But that's the thing. That's how the universe flows through you. The universe gives you an idea. The universe knows whether or not you're going to act on the idea, and because I acted on it, and plus I really wanted a Nintendo Switch, because I had the idea in the dream, I was able to help the homeless guy who needed $100. So that's how the universe flows. Like, the universe will flow through you if you allow it, if you follow your intuition, or whatever you want to call it. So that's the end of this video. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you enjoyed it. I am working on a story right now. There's like 2 chapters left to go or so, called Bloody Attorney. It's kind of like an origin story of this guy who, he's an orphan. He got in a car crash, lost his memory, but through the help of through the help of a girlfriend who didn't lose her memory, but she caused the crash, they unearthed the actual mystery behind the orphanage, which the caretakers were murdered, more or less. So, and I think that's gonna be like $20 on Amazon once I get it done. But yeah, so again, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to hearing back from everyone in the comments. Have a good day and good night.